Have you ever encountered super great deal on Shopee and Lazada, except all the flash sales? I did encounter a lot of times, and most of them are being rejected for the reason of out of stocks or the most common one, wrong pricing. And as you can read from the titles, I have actually purchased an air purifier for RM87 ringgit only. And the crazy part is the thing actually arrived and it was here. So I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I did some research on this company. Basically, this company is a Hong Kong company that's based in China, and they're actually doing all the water purifying and also air purifier machines. So initially, I was thought of getting an air filter replacement for my Sharp Air Purifier, and to my surprise, the replacement of the air filters is actually cost me 200 ringgit to 300 ringgit, depending whether it's a genuine part or a non-genuine part. So since it's so expensive, I was thought of why not I spend a little bit more and get a new air purifier. After I glancing through the app, and I noticed this brand. They are selling this air purifier for RM199, and the crazy part is they are offering 50% voucher. Then after all the plus minus vouchers that are offered by Lazada, this air purifier only cost me RM87 ringgit, include shipping. So I was wondering, probably they sell me a cheap machine and the replacement of the filter will be very expensive. To my surprise, the replacement of this filter only RM57 ringgit and can be ordered anytime from the Lazada shop. Sorry, besides that, I need to highlight this. I purchased this air purifier from a flagship store. It's an official store by this company. And initially, I was thought, since it's only cost me RM87, why not give it a try? And I actually shared to my friends, and some of my friends told me that likely they put wrong price or this order might get cancelled. So I didn't put any much hope. So I placed the order and I wait for it. After a few days, I saw transit from China, then they're actually ready to ship to Malaysia. So I received it this morning, so I was thought of doing an unboxing to show to you guys whether this air purifier worth the price. Frankly speaking, RM87 ringgit is a no-brainer price for air purifier. So let's do an unboxing and show you what does it have. Besides that, my friend telling me it could be a very small size air purifier, that's why it's so cheap. To my surprise, this air purifier is quite big, actually bigger than the Sharp Air Purifier that I have. So this is the So this is the cover of the filter. So it comes with a 4-in-1 filter. According to them, this is a 4-in-1 filter that has active carbon filters, HEPA filters, and fiber filters, and I forgot there's one more here. And beside that, according to the features, it comes with a 4-speed fan, and it can be adjusted according to your needs. And it also have a timer up to 8 hours. And beside that, there actually an LED light here that will be showing, it will be changing colors from green, blue, and red if I'm not mistaken. So this is the power cable. This is the minus point of the purifier. It's not a UK plug, it's a normal plug. It's a China plug, I guess. This thing can be solved with just a RM1.90 converter. So I can just plug this in and plug in. So overall, to my surprise, it's actually one sturdy and solid air purifier. So I just got it, so I can't do any review much. Probably I can do another round of review of this air purifier. Beside that here, there are LCD panel here. We're actually showing you what's the air condition, like how you see the Air API, and there are some buttons here. It's actually a touch buttons, it's not a physical buttons, and you can adjust the fan speed on off. There's a smart function, I'm not sure what's that. Yes, this filter also got ionizer. It's called Neon. Probably I can do a live demo now. I can just plug this in and show it to you guys. The overall designs are pretty neat, and also it has these smart features. If someone actually open up the cover, you cut off the power. So just in case your friends or your kids play around with these air purifiers and they actually open up the cover. So the air purifier now is off, so I can turn it on again. Overall, it looks pretty standard. Not too big, not too small. I believe it should do what it's supposed to do. And if you are interested to check out this air purifier, I'll put the link in the description below. This is not a paid post. This is just my personal opinions and reviews of this air purifier. So that's all for now. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off.